In this question, you're asked to show that fx is equal to mod of sin x plus cos x is continuous at x is equal to pi. So you can directly check the condition for continuity for the function. So limit x tends to pi f of x. Let us find limit x tends to pi f of x. That is limit x tends to pi mod of sin x plus cos x. So this is not an indeterminate form on direct substitution. So we can do the direct substitution, there is no problem. So sin x, sin pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1. So 0 plus minus 1 is minus 1 and mod of minus 1 is plus 1. And what is f of pi? That is, if you directly substitute pi in the place of x, mod of sin pi plus cos pi, which is 0 plus minus 1, which is minus 1, mod minus 1 is again equal to 1. So limit value is 1, the functional value is also equal to 1, hence continuous at x is equal to